Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you how to easily blur photo background using Canva and in just a few taps. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your Canva and then upload your photo like this. And once it's uploaded, just tap on the photo and then just go to edit this one. And then just scroll down until you find on effect sections. And then just choose autofocus. This one, just tap on it. And then Canva will automatically detect your subject and blur the background. You can adjust how strong the blur is or how much area stays in focus using the slider here. Just press simple. For example, like this. And you're done. Your photo is ready. Now you can use it for the poster or profile picture. It's just clean and professional in seconds. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.